I can't believe that the dictionary definition of the word misogyny has been changed as a direct result of the debate that took place in the past couple of weeks. We've all seen the Prime Minister saying what she did about Tony Abbott and his supposedly misogynistic views. Well, the Macquarie Dictionary used that debate to go back and change the dictionary definition of misogyny. Now, we all know that to be a misogynist is to be somebody who hates men. Well, no, the 2012 modern version is now that it includes sexist behaviour. Now, the reason that this is such a stupid thing to do has nothing to do with politics. It's everything to do with language. There needs to be a gradient of language. We need to be able to make sure that we can differentiate between somebody who is sexist about a woman's role being in the home and the Taliban who believe that a female victim of sexual assault deserves to be executed. Now, both of those opinions are not mine, and both of those opinions are clearly too much. But there needs to be gradients of behaviour and therefore different words that represent those stages. There should be sexism and then there should be misogyny. They should not be one in the same. They're on the same scale, but they shouldn't have the same meaning. I have no idea why the Macquarie Dictionary decided to change the definition of the word, but it seems particularly bizarre that a politician deliberately misusing it would be the reason why they go back and literally rewrite the book.